Hello! Welcome to Miki's Kitchen. Today is the 226th day. It's the winter solstice today. I'll show you how Japanese people spend the winter solstice. There's a custom of having pumpkin on that day. Pumpkin is rich in nutrients, and it's said that if you have it on the winter solstice, you won't catch a cold. Also, a lot of Japanese people take baths with yuzu, which is a kind of citrus fruit. Yuzu is believed to have a cleansing effect. Well, today I'll make simmered pumpkin. You should try cooking pumpkin and take a bath with yuzu. Well, let's get started cooking. First, remove the seeds and fibers of pumpkin. Next, cut it into bite-sized pieces. Then peel partially and bevel the edges. By doing so, pumpkins can keep their shape while simmering. And rinse them. Okay. Next, I'm gonna make sauce. So place dashi stock in a bowl. If you want to know how to make dashi stock, watch my third YouTube. And add sugar, sake, mirin, and light soy sauce. Then mix well. Okay. Next, place pumpkins with the skin side down in a pot. Then pour the sauce in the pot. And heat it on high heat. When it comes to boil, turn down the heat to medium-low and skim the foam. Then cover them with cooking sheet and aluminum foil not to move the pumpkins. and simmer them until they get soft. Well, 10 minutes have passed, so I'm gonna check with a bamboo skewer. It's soft enough, so turn off the heat. And serve them in a cup. Okay, that's it. It's time to eat. いただきます。It's so sweet and delicious. The pumpkin absorbs well the seasonings. You should try it. Well, tomorrow I'll go back to osechi ryori. So see you tomorrow!